Zubby, the leader of our clan, Olisabinigwe, the god who have protected Israel from the man-eating savages of this plain, has finally smiled on you and your wife Ureka.
Eronini, your words are not too clear.
Abanobi, your wife whom you have lived with for 120 moons without conception is pregnant.
If I'm pregnant, why am I still like this?
The holders of two characters are already in your womb, and the separation of two people has begun in your body.
I can't move.
120 moons waiting.
Lie! It's a man!
You are a real man. Real man.
Your Highness, another man!
Abanobi, name your person.
You are the first to step out. Therefore, you are my firstborn son. I name you Onwe Sobunam.
Onwe Sobunam.
You are my second-born son. And in life, everything has a supreme force ahead of it. You are my second-born son. I name you Jekubolis.
Jekubolisa. Olisabinigwe, the protector of our clan, guide of the present, and the hope of the future. You are the giver. We are back. What lies ahead of these two?
Eyes of the gods, what is it that you see for these children that made it so hard for your mouth to speak before the elders on the hills?
Abanobi, some kola nuts are better chewed so that you can comfortably remove the destructive worms.
You asked to see my wife and myself. Private.
Abanobi, the sights I behold are not pleasant.
What do you see, wise one?
I see jealousy. I see envy. I see destruction. I see a nation rising against the other. I see a brother seeking the life of the other. But this is all I can see. I don't see the angle it is coming from.
Hey, let's come back here. Come. Both of you have to be very careful. Don't go to the wood. Keep to the north.
No, we know all that. Don't go to the wood because of those savages. Please, can we go and play now?
At least you know that one.
We know all that.
Okay, go. Don't go to the wood, so. No. So they're repeating themselves. They are Allah.
Jeku, where are you?
So you couldn't find me?
Where have you been?
You will never find me.
I've been looking for you since.
Where's Obunam? Eso Jekubo Lisa.
Nam. What is Nam?
Where's your brother?
Because
This is Nam.
Eso, you are the elder.
okay.
Take this and share with your brother. Okay?
Thank you, Nam.
Nam, Esther is taking my own part of the meat. Is it right, Papa?
So why did you do that? You already had yours.
I'm the elder brother, Papa.
Is that the reason you should take his meat?
Yes, Papa.
Don't worry. I'll get you another one as soon as we get inside, okay? These children will not kill me. This was not.
Eso, you pluck some orange. Let me have one.
Get out mine. Kem.
How can you pluck orange only for yourself? Are we not brothers anymore?
Who are who? Come on, get out of my way. Nonsense.
Touch your own a little and be able to touch your brother's soul.
No. The one is better than mine.
You're not in any competition with your brother. I hope you understand that. Look at you, more handsome than your brother. Let me touch his own a little.
No.
Bile, Ozugo. Bile. Come and sit down.
Eso took the seat away and I fell down.
So why did you do this?
Did you want his hair to be better than mine?
Ila poala. Eh? Sorry, one more. Don't worry. Sit down. Sit down. Sorry. Hi. Forgive him, oh. Forgive him. He's your brother.
What were you expecting?
Eroni never said which one it is.
Even if he didn't say so, it is clear to you and I who it is. Do you ever look into his eyes? Do you see the raging fire in them?
My concern is how he treats Jacob.
Anyway, they say the first step of solving the problem is identifying the problem. Now that we know that Eso is the one showing the signs, we will know how to handle it.
He says so.
Your Majesty.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my sons. 25 seasons ago, Olisabinigwe granted us some blessings by allowing the entrance of both of you into this family. Happy birth anniversary, my sons.
Thank you, Father.
It's an honor, Father.
Father, these slaves, these untamed dogs must be made to be more up and doing.
How dare you hit a woman?
She's my father's servant. our slave.
So you shouldn't have...
Shut up. Excuse me. This boy won't kill you.
Sorry. Get up. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry on his behalf.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. No?
Sorry.
Arrow?
Yes, Father. The savages would have killed me if not for this arrow.
Only 3 people can wield the royal arrow. And that is Abanobi, our clan head, and his sons, Eso and Jekube. But I don't think that Abanobi can walk around the woods considering its age now.
Father, that means it's either of his sons then?
Yes. Eso is so wicked that he can even encourage the savages to eat you up.
Father, I thought it was Prince Jekube.
Yes, no other person. It's him.
Hey.
Really, it's him.
No.
What?
Oh.
What?
No.
I hope your madness has not started again. Huh?
Oh. No. Mother.
Huh?
No. Father. Mother. I'm sorry to say this, but no. You will not leave to see the break of dawn.
Shut up! Fool! Look at this guy! Huh? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is the baby? On that forward.
Sure.
Shut up, your mouth! Come and get inside the house. Go inside! Animal. Go inside the house. Go inside the house. Go inside! Huh? What's wrong with you? Stand up. Stop crying, let's go. Stop crying, let's go in.
can't kill her. I can't kill my own mother.
Ralo. Though it seems hard for people to believe you, somehow I believe you.
I don't think I can bear the pain of losing my mother. Not to talk of the frustration of being accused of killing her. Even my siblings.
You have lost 3 of your siblings. And now your mother. All in the space of 5 months. Ralo, somehow you announce their death before it occurs.
That's the problem. I see their death, yes. But I don't kill them. I am innocent of all these accusations. I don't kill them. I don't.
And if you don't stop coming close to this witch, very soon, it is your death that she will see.
I agree to you.
Zipporah. Zipporah. Listen to the word of your father that gave you life. And never depart from the words of your mother. Your parents had warned you time without number to stay clear from this winch, but you will not. Her Obanje has started again.
Are you okay? I see him. What's wrong with you? I see your son. I see your son.
Onye?
I see your dad.
You will die. You will die and your entire lineage will die, not my son. Ha!
Oh, no, no! I see her son. No! 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 It's moving! Ah! No! He will die.
He will not die. You will die. You and your entire lineage will die, not my son. No! You will not die.
Finest of mornings to you, SO. Heir to the ancient Troy Rock of Izuoku.
How dare you mention my name?
I'm sorry.
You don't stand when talking to me. I can see you lack manners. How dare you walk by when I'm urinating?
My Lord!
God.
My God, I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry!
I shall teach you what it means to be sorry.
My God, I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry!
Deal with that.
Oh my God, oh, I'm sorry! Hey, my God, I'm sorry! Please forgive me, I'm sorry! My God! Hey, my God, oh, my God, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! My God, 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 I'm sorry!
What has she done to deserve this judgment of a thief?
My prince.
Don't call me your prince. Call me Jokube.
She walked past while my prince was urinating.
Always Sobunam, why are you doing this?
How dare you? You are lucky we share the same blood. None of that will do this and go free.
It's okay.
Thank you, my prince.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry on his behalf, okay? I'm sorry.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My prince, thank you. Thank you.
Father, it was terrible. We needed to see how they were flogging her like a thief.
What nonsense. That boy shouldn't think he has grown so much that I cannot bend him.
My major concern is this. What will happen to our people when he eventually ascends this throne?
Olisabinigwe, I can't believe that I carried this tyrant and wicked soul in this womb. Hi.
Greetings to the royal family.
Sipora, how are you?
I'm fine, mother.
Who is she?
She's the newest maiden in the house.
She looks like a good girl.
Sure she is.
Jacobi, you still haven't told us who this your new friend is and where he's from.
Ngolo. Well, he's just a homeless fellow I met on my way and decided to help him.
Our son and his good deeds. Olisabinigwe will surely reward you.
Since you and your daughter decided to kill my son, my only son, here he is.
Calm down and tell me what
I should come down.
Because I told her to. That's because I told Sibora to attend to the one of her parents. Your daughter killed my son. Why? Your daughter killed my son. Why?
Whoa! Kaina! What is your sister?
Father, I don't know, but let me go and search for her.
Look for her!
You witch! You!
Come here! Come here! Now listen, what have you done? What have you done?
I have done nothing, Father.
You've done nothing! You have done nothing! Okay, here it is. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Look at those! I am still your father. Omanja, I will beat it up.
Papa, please. Papa, please.
Hey, Papa, please now. I will find out this Omanja from you today. Please. Papa. Now, I will come on behind here and throw you to sleep. You are capable of that.
No! Leave me alone! Leave me! No! 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 No!
What is it that you want? What is it again?
You will die in 2 days. 2 days. 2 days.
You look tired. Can I help you?
You seem like right.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
Where are you heading to?
You seem like right.
Yes. My name is
Dikeh, son of Abanubi, leader of Ijiroke clan.
You know me?
I am on my way to the home of my nephew, Zebowa.
Zebowa. I don't know there, but I will make sure my guards take you to your destination safe and sound.
Give me my bag. I am strong enough to carry it.
Let them help you.
Thank you.
No. Let them help you. No, let's help you.
Okay. My prince, what about you?
I shall continue my walk alone. Make sure she gets to her destination safe and sound.
Mama, why all this death in our family? Where is she? Mama! Him too!
Sorcery. That is what it is. The girl is not normal.
You think so?
Madundu, why is it that she kills her family members one after the other?
Hi! Udokoba. That has not been confirmed.
Madundu, what other confirmation do you need? Every market week, a corpse is being buried in her family. And she has even gone out attacking other people's family. Yes! Of course, now.
Greetings. Where's Madundu and the Dokuba?
Thank you.
My daughter, where are you hurrying to?
I'm just coming for Ralu's house. Her father Zubby just died.
Hey! Are you sure of what you are saying?
I can't joke with issues of life and death. I can't.
Only Sabini go.
Please excuse my elders.
Hey, you see? Hey, that is exactly what I'm talking about. You see it? That is what is happening. Hello. When I was talking, you never listened. But it has shown here. Hello, man.
And what exactly do you speak of?
Your Highness, it's about Ralo Lisa, the daughter of Zebewa.
Zebewa has a grown daughter?
Yes, of course.
Impressive. Very impressive. Oh, that means our clan is growing.
Tremendously.
That is how it should be. But we are rather reducing.
And how do you mean?
The same girl had looked at people, telling them they will die, and they eventually died.
Yes, I believe it. I have heard about this girl, but I haven't really.
In the space of 6 months, she has looked at her mother, including her siblings, even Ezuma's son, telling them they will die. They all die, one by one. Her father, Zebe, died this morning.
Hey! Strange. Really strange. So...
Hey! If you low lives will excuse me, I'd like to have a word with my father alone.
And what nonsense is this, Eso?
I shall not want to repeat myself.
Young man, is this how you intend to pilot the affairs of this clan after your father?
My father is Abanobi. He rules you the way he deems fit.
Eso!
I am Eso, the heir apparent to the throne and the next leader of Izuruke clan. I shall rule you with fire and brimstone. And there's nothing you can do about it. You can cough.
Hey! No. Eso!
Abanobi!
No.
You dare call me by my name?
You called me first.
Hey!
My lord, please. The great leopard of Izuruke, climb, please. Climb, please. I beg you to control your anger. You cannot spill your own blood, please.
Biko. Hey! Hey! Calm down, please.
Please, my lord.
Abanobi, please calm down.
A true leopard does not let his prey slip away.
Hey!
But Mama, I don't kill them. I don't.
I know. That is why I have come to see you.
Me? I thought it was my father you came to see.
Micheal, you belong to a special breed of gifted women. How I saw things when I was your age. People don't understand. They thought it's sorcery. But it was a special gift. A rare one.
But Mama, why do I only see when people are about to die?
That is not the only thing you see. Neither she is the only gift you possess. You need to groom your gift in order to reach your full potential.
Mama, but why are my family members dying? Why? It's really hurting me. It's hurting me, Mama.
It's not your fault. That is how it has usually been. The family of those with this special gift either all die or one person survive to give birth to a son, who will in turn give birth to the new seed. That was how your grandfather, my brother, remained to give birth to my father, who in turn gave birth to you. And your emergence. Your emergence
Does it mean that my brother...
Don't share it. When the moon retires, so will his soul. There's one more thing about this gift. Don't worry. Don't worry. People with this gift, they don't grow old. They always be Witch! You are a witch!
I'm not a witch.
You are a witch! I deserve to die!
I am not a
What are we waiting for? Why are we wasting time? Let's take her to the leader of the clan immediately!
I wonder why you also take your own family members.
She's evil.
Please. Oh, please. He's a witch.
Away with her. Let's take her to the leader. We must go to the leader now.
Yes.
What other leader are you waiting for when I'm here? What is her crime? Will you get back on the floor, you dog?
She looks at people and tells them they will die. And then they die.
Yes.
I see.
She did that to all her family members.
Yes.
The last member of Zebe's household, who was her younger brother, had just suffered the same fate in her hands. Yes.
She also did it to Mekonye's son.
You. Come forward. What are you?
My prince, I don't understand.
You? Come forward. Are you not the new dirt in the palace? Now get your filthy self back to the palace and be useful. Now! She's a witch and must be treated as such. Guards, take her away.
Hold on. Hold on. Leave me alone. Leave me! Leave me alone.
Who are you?
Who I am does not matter for now. The judgment is not right.
She tells Esu what is and what isn't right.
Please, my son, do not cast her away to the savages. There is no proof of sorcery or witchcraft. She's only a victim of special gifts.
How lucky you are. Guards! See to it that my judgment is carried out later.
No! No! Your father, the leader of the clan, is still alive. We don't have any right to pass judgment.
Guards! Flog this woman till her skin peels off with the whip and take the witch to the evil forest.
No, no! Justice! Please, I mean, hatred breeds hatred. As the sun gives way for the moon at night, so shall joy give way for sorrow by sunrise. Oh, the tears of the innocent will always meet earth. Hatred will give rise, and from the earth then shall arise a song. You made my end a painful one, so shall yours too. The next 7 days will lead to your end, and you will suffer so many unknown diseases. As for those that lay their hands on me and my daughter, 7 days is a long time. As it is impossible for these grains of sand to gather in my palms again, so shall it be possible for this cause to be broken.
So strange. It's strange indeed.
This is a bad omen. This is not right. Greetings, Zipporah. Won't you greet the prince?
Greetings, Prince. Jacob.
Greetings, Zipporah.
What is wrong with her?
She must be in great pain because of her friend.
The girl that was sent away?
Yes.
But your father has sent the girls to go and look for her. Why is she still crying?
I don't know.
Searched everywhere, we can't find her. Let us go back. No! There is no point going back. Because if we go back, they will kill us.
But look at the weather. It's changing. It's about to rain.
My brother, we have no choice. We have no choice than to search. It is our fate. Let us search.
What are you waiting
You see, as I enter their midst, all the savages begin to bow down to me.
Ago. Trust you.
Obodi Zuluke, Obodi Zuluke, Obodi Zuluke atono. Ifo nye metalo, etinyo obodo na fofo, ralo lisabiko zanyo.
This is punishment. Yes. They are the fellas enjoying themselves and we are here under the threat, looking for her. Oh, it's up.
I came to comfort you. But, you never told me you have such powers.
You will understand in due time. But first, we must keep you away from the savages. Come.
Has befallen my husband. Olisa Biniwe, have I offended you or my fellow men?
Please, take it easy, Father.
My son, this is bad omen and cannot be taken easy. Where is your brother?
Let me check on him at once.
Greetings, great leader of our clan. Greetings, my elders.
Abanobi.
Abanobi, please sit down. Hey. What is greater than the leopard has threatened the leopard in its own territory.
The Fiakwa. Nothing can ever be greater than the greatest leopard of Izureke.
Mbano. Anosike. How then do you explain two guards dying mysteriously in one night?
Hey!
Strange. Your two guards died mysteriously
In one night. Terrible. Abandon. Another bad news. What is it? The chick has invited the hawk, thereby throwing the hen into unprepared defensive measures. Yes, I am even more confused. Hey! Hey! Hey, whoa.
Mama, what happened when they sent me away? Did those warriors let her beat you up like you said? Mama, how come you're very neat? Eh? Don't touch me.
Be calm. You will understand.
Mama, what is going on? Understand what?
You will dwell here until vengeance takes its full course.
Mama, what is going on? What is happening?
I have moved on. What you see is not what it is. Weep not, my child. Weep not. Vengeance is on course. The gods will aid you in building a hut. Oh? All your food will come to you.
Mama.
Olisa Binigwe will protect you. Oh? I will always be here for you. My daughter.
Mama.
Be strong and patient. In no time, this moment will pass.
She was flogged mercilessly. I could hardly behold the sides of her back. Hey! I am certain she could not bear the torture and gave up.
We just saw to her burial before coming over here.
What?
Yes.
That was off his son. This time around.
No. Father, what's going on here? I could hear your voice from inside my heart.
What is this?
The royal heir.
I asked you what's going on here. I heard your voice from inside my heart.
He's acting like a woman. Really?
Excuse me?
Ta!
No, dear.
You want to see that?
Father, please talk to the royal maidens. Tell them to come give me some massage. All of them.
Is it okay?
Hey! Hey! What? Hey! Massage!
Oh, body is okay.